Hello friends, welcome back to the PharmaBiz. Today's topic is HPLC interview question and answer part 2. Earlier we have covered part 1. In earlier videos we have covered dissolution, UV, IR, GC, HPLC, KF, disintegration, friability, questions and answers. Now in this video we are going to cover again one more video, that is HPLC questions and answer. If you have not seen our previous videos, you can check our description box, or either I will provide link in a I button. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. First question is, what is the difference between C8 and C18 column in HPLC? So answer is C8 has 8 carbon atoms and C18 has 18 carbon atoms. C18 is more hydrophobic than C8. Due to that, C18 has long retention time and C8 has short retention time. That means C8 column gives short RT. Question 2. What is the difference between related substance and chromatographic purity? So answer is, related substance is used to determine known as well as unknown impurities, while chromatographic purity is used to determine only known impurity from the sample. So question 3 is, what is baseline in HPLC? The answer is, baseline is a detector response to the mobile phase. It is well known by all. Why buffer is used in a mobile phase? Buffer is used because it resists change in a pH. Why gold column used in HPLC? The answer is to protect the analytical column from the contamination. What is the difference between stationary phase and mobile phase? So answer is, stationary phase does not move with a sample, it stick in the column, while mobile phase is move with a sample throughout the column. So this is the difference. What is carryover in HPLC? Carryover is an illusion of same compound or analyte in the subsequent injection. So this is a simple definition of carryover. So next question is, what is void volume in HPLC? Void volume is a volume of mobile phase required to elute an unretained peak. What is the dead volume in HPLC? Dead volume is a volume of HPLC system between point of injection to the point of detection. So this is the dead volume. What is the dwell volume in HPLC? Dwell volume is a volume of gradient HPLC system between mixing chamber and the column inlet. These three are very complicated definitions, just check it properly. What are the most common buffer used in HPLC? Acetate buffer and phosphate buffer are most commonly used buffers in HPLC. So next question is, how should I store HPLC column? For normal phase, column can be stored in ethanol, and for reverse phase, column is stored in a mixture of water and organic solvent. So organic solvent may be ACN or methanol. What is the maximum pressure in HPLC? So pressure depends on the which make you are using. For water HPLC, it is 5000 psi. That's it for today's videos, friend. If you want more information, you can visit our PharmaBiz channel, or you can visit our website, that is pharmabiz.com. So best luck for your interview and have a nice day.